Alright YouTube, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to show you how I repair some old plastics from a Fiesta RS Turbo for a customer. He sent them in, they're looking quite worse for wear. Some actually need some repairs. There's some cracks on this piece. The actual mounting hole is literally broken off, so I've got to repair that, repair the cracks. He also wants me to remove the sliders for the middle B pillars of the seat belts, get rid of them. Then I've got to get them prepped, ready for flocking, and then get them covered in a lovely anthracite, because I've already done the dashboard in this car, so it's going to tie in really nicely to the existing interior. So, let's get started. Okay, so where are we at? We've managed to fill in the seat belt sliders with some GRP, some fiberglass. Done the repairs on this one, on the back. I just used a bit of peel ply to give it a nice sort of, just trims it up nicely. Same with these really. So all I'm going to do now is try and fit this into this hole there and see if I can get it nice and neat, bond that in. Then we'll take it over to the sander, get this bit of sanding back, fill in any air voids with some high build filler, then get these sanded back by hand and then primered, ready for flocking, and that should be the job done. So we're getting really close. Keep going.
Every day, 24/7, you call my name, and I will come running. Yeah, every day, 24/7. Yeah, every day, I will come running, babe. Every day, the couch. No, I'm not the same. Everything has changed. Every day, 24/7, you call my name, and I will come running. Yeah, every day, 24/7. Yeah, every day, I will come running, babe. Every day.
Right, let's have a look how we turned out. So we've got the side sills all nicely done. Still got the original hinge functions working as they should. Got a nice crudge with the flock. The bits I filled in, you'd never know there were holes there. So it turned out really well. And this was the damaged one, so you can't see any evidence of the cracks or the damage. Also you can see there I've done the repair. No, really happy with how it's turned out. Yeah, it's only a quick video just to show you how we can do some decent repairs and bring some old plastics back to life. Hopefully the customer will be happy with it. But yeah, if you've liked this content, please like, share, subscribe, and on with the next job and on with the next vlog. See you soon.